That rain and overcast skies welcome news to firefighters. However, these flames have already damaged lots of land and killed livestock. Well, one Broadus family has seen these flames firsthand and is doing what they can to help local farmers get back on their feet.
It's quite humbling what Mother Nature can do.
The images speak for themselves. Destruction left by the Remington Fire, difficult for many to stomach.
I was there when everything was burning and stuff, and I saw the devastation.
But for those on the front line, like Broadus volunteer Kelly Ostendorf, the damage seemed irreplaceable.
I didn't think that any cattle would survive. I honestly didn't know if we'd save anybody's house.
Ostendorf doubles as a farmer himself. This is his land located east of Broadus, which is safe from the flames. But he knows the impacts this likely uninsured loss will have on fellow farmers.
It's hard to insure cattle because it is expensive and it very rarely ever pays out. I don't have insurance on my cows. So if something like this were to happen, you're kind of just out of it.
And that's why Ostendorf started thinking of ways to help, reaching out to fellow farmers in Nebraska, looking for donations of hay, fence, and other items.
I'm not making any promises to anybody. I'm just trying to put people that are in need in contact with people that could possibly help.
Ostendorf plans to be the middleman, a gesture welcomed by farmers, along with the much-needed rainfall Monday.
We're starting to see a little bit less fire behavior.
Jennifer Bunty with Southwest Incident Management says that while the rain is helpful, there's still plenty of work left for the team.
When we talk about containment, we talk about having fire lines on the ground that really just won't be crossed. There's just no potential for them to be crossed again. So we're really working on securing those lines.
A treacherous time, thankfully reaching its end, but one that will certainly leave a lasting impact.
We did what we could, but when something like that's coming at you, we're just looking at saving people's houses and making sure nobody dies.
In Billings, Charlie Kleps, MTN News.